Hello, woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. A quick reminder to please like and subscribe. Today I'll be unboxing an amazing Yoshitoshi print I bought from an online Japanese auction. It's from Yoshitoshi's series called A New Selection of Eastern Brocade Pictures. It took 5 years to design and produce the 23 prints in the series. As a side note, this is one of my favorite prints from the series that you might recognize, called The Story of Otomi and Yosaburo. This is the famous character with a bat-shaped tattoo on his face. Unfortunately, I don't have this print yet, but I think the one I'm going to show you today is just as good. Okay, so let's take a look. Wow, this is number 17 in the series, printed in 1886. It's the story of the demon woman Omatsu killing the samurai Saburo. You can see here he's carrying her across a river on his back, but she takes this opportunity to stab him with a dagger. There are a lot of different versions of this story, but it seems to be based on the historical warrior Omori Hikoshichi, who, following the victory in the 1336 Battle of Minato-gawa, is said to have been nearly assassinated while carrying the daughter of a defeated warrior across a river. Here's another print of the same scene by Yoshitoshi in his series New Forms of 36 Ghosts that he did in 1889. Other famous artists also depicted the same scene, such as this print from Kuniyoshi and this one from Chikanobu. I really like this version the best though. The larger size of the diptych gives the space to set the beautiful landscape of the river and the freedom for the characters to really come alive. This is a really powerful print that balances beauty and violence that Yoshitoshi is so famous for. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please subscribe and happy collecting.